All right, we've got a really bold claim to unpack today. The idea is that by 2025, and I mean, that's just around the corner, 4 new types of AI tools are going to completely replace the need for private human tutor. So let's break that down.
So yeah, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Is this technology really at the point where it can take over one of the oldest forms of teaching? Or is this just a lot of tech hype? We're going to dig in and find out.
Okay, before we jump into the future, let's get grounded in the here and now. For, well, pretty much forever, one-on-one human tutoring has been considered the absolute best you can get, the gold standard for learning. But, and there's always a but, right? That gold standard has a few catches.
And this lays it out perfectly. On the plus side, you get that amazing personal touch, a real connection with someone who actually gets you and your learning style. But then you look at the other side, and it's expensive. Trying to line up schedules can be a total nightmare, and just finding a good tutor who's actually available, that can feel impossible. These exact problems are what AI is promising to solve.
And so, a challenger enters the ring. We're not talking about some far-off sci-fi concept anymore. Artificial intelligence is here, right now, and it's positioned to completely shake up the entire world of personalized education.
So what exactly is an AI tutor? Well, put simply, think of it as a super smart platform that gives you learning support that is totally personalized, really interactive, and, this is the big one, available on demand 24/7. It's basically like having your own personal study assistant in your pocket, ready to go whenever you are.
All right, time for the main event. We're going to look at 4 examples of the tools that are leading this charge. Now, it's important to think of these as types of platforms, the kind of tech at the heart of that big 2025 prediction. They show us what's becoming possible right now.
First up, we have a tool called CogniLearn. This one is aimed right at the subjects that make a lot of us sweat, math and science. So what's the secret sauce here? It's something called an adaptive learning path. Imagine you're stuck on a tricky calculus problem. Instead of just spitting out the answer, the AI analyzes why you got it wrong. Maybe it's an algebra rule from 3 years ago you forgot. Boom! It instantly creates a mini lesson on just that concept. Right then and there. It adapts to you in real time.
Okay, let's move on. If you've ever tried to learn a new language, you know practice is everything. The struggle is real. And that's exactly where a tool like Lingobot comes into play. Now, this is way more than just digital flashcards. The real magic of Lingobot is that you can have actual, lifelike conversations with it. You can speak to the AI in Spanish, and it'll talk back naturally, giving you instant, gentle feedback on your pronunciation. It even teaches you cultural context, so you're not just learning the words, you're learning how people really use them.
From speaking a new language to writing your own, our third tool, EssayCraft, is designed to be your personal, sophisticated